Good evening, Rams. Welcome back to Thursday Weather. I'm your weather anchor, Carson Porterfield. Let's get right into our current conditions. It's currently 84 degrees outside with that sun setting just about now. So although that sun might be going down, it's still going to be a beautiful night. So get out there and enjoy it. Going into tonight's lows, it's going to be a little cool all across Colorado, with the coolest it being in about 39 in Alamosa, going along the I-25 corridor. It's going to be about 60 in Fort Collins, going down to about 66 in Denver, and staying about the same in Pueblo at 66. Coming over here to Lamar, it's going to be about 67 degrees, so it's going to be a little nice all around. Going into tomorrow's highs, it's going to be a scorcher all across Colorado, with the hottest it being in Lamar at 98. All right, going along that I-25 corridor, again, it's going to be a 92 in Fort Collins, staying about the same in Denver to 93, going a little more south to Pueblo about a 95, and across over in the mountains, Vail's going to be about 78 and Telluride at 72. Going into tomorrow's forecast, it's going to be a beautiful, hot day tomorrow, so please enjoy it, get outside, and have a great Friday with a high of 92 and a low of 54 with minimal wind and some dry, pretty much no clouds out in that sky weather. All right, well, cool. Going into our 5-day forecast, it's going to be a beautiful week with it sunny all across, beautiful weather. The hottest it's going to be is about 90 on that Monday, but it's going to cool right on down, going down to 86 on Tuesday and Wednesday. And the only time we're going to see a little bit of cloud coverage is on that Thursday, with it staying at about 76 going along into that Friday as well. With Hurricane Florence fast approaching, people across the country are preparing for impact. I had the chance to meet up with an atmospheric professor right here at CSU.
This is a geostationary satellite showing a visible image of the storm. So between these two pictures, we kind of get different looks at what the storm is telling us.
Michael Bell is an associate professor of atmospheric science here at CSU. Bell and his colleagues in the department are regarded as some of the nation's top seasonal hurricane forecasters, tracking intensity and structure changes of hurricanes to make predictions.
So we put in all the atmospheric information. Actually, a lot of that's shown on this TV screen right behind me here. We measure the temperature, the pressure, and the humidity. We put that into our computer models, and then we try and basically project that out in time.
Bell and his team have been tracking Hurricane Florence since it began approaching the coast. Predictions on the hurricane have shifted in recent days.
Some of the organization didn't quite come together the way that the models were expecting. So that's a good thing. It's a little bit weaker than what we'd predicted. Unfortunately, it's a bit bigger. So the size is, we've traded a bit of strength for size, or intensity for size.
Although the hurricane isn't as strong as originally thought, Bell says areas inland away from the coast will still see a lot of damage.
So we're expecting really heavy rainfall for potentially 3 to 4 days in North and South Carolina, which could lead to totals over 2 feet in some areas. So really a serious situation evolving there. If you do have any loved ones in these areas, please make sure you reach out and contact. The hurricane should be reaching land in a couple of hours, so make sure you know where those loved ones are. That's all I have for you tonight. Right after this, we have Jared with sports. Good night, Rams.